You win some, you lose some. Like, you have to take an L in order to win. And then when you win, you have to lose to know what it feels like to win. In order to win, you have to lose to know what it feels like to lose. But in the end, you're probably still a winner because you took a couple L's to become a W. I don't know where I'm going with this. Let's just do what we came here to do. What is up, sneaker geeks, sneaker freaks, sneaker news, tweets, geeks, leaks, freaks, all the good stuff. It is Flacco here, back with another video, or this is a new video, because we're going to be doing an unboxing. The shoe that we're unboxing today was a long due and behold pickup from Stockx. They get me the W. They help me out. They help me when I'm in need. When I need a shoe, I just go to Stockx and I pick it up. And it was the right price too. It wasn't too much. It was, you know, it was worth it in the end. I'm hoping that it was worth it. After I pulled this shoe out the box, it had better been worth it. If this is your first time, welcome. Hopefully you like what you see and you hit that subscribe button. If you're gonna subscribe, just go ahead and turn that notification bell on just to see when I'm dropping new videos, because I don't have a schedule. Whenever I drop it, I just drop it. So you either get it or you don't. You cop or you drop, or you drip or you drop, you miss it or you twist it. Finger lick it. Finger lick it. Adidas, you gotta get your shit together, man. Don't say you're dropping something at 10 o'clock and the shit is sold out at 10 o'clock. That's not even, like, as soon as it hit 10, it was sold out. Did I miss some shit? If you guys know how to pick up something that's dropping at 10 o'clock on the Adidas website, let me know, because it's a couple of things that I want to pick up from the Adidas website, but I cannot pick it up because Adidas be selling out and fucking flugazing people. What the fuck? Like, what the fuck is going on? Adidas, or anybody who works for Adidas, if you watching this shit, y'all better get y'all shit together. Y'all starting to turn into goddamn Nike and the sneakers app. I ain't got time for that shit. Stockx is getting all my money now. All right. That nice blue magic. I didn't expect the box to be like this, but a nice blue magic, the nice blue 3-stripe Adidas box. Let's pull this bad boy out. I gotta start doing my unboxings a lot different, because this shit here with me fighting with the box and my knife, and it's taking too long. Looking on the front of the box, you will see the size and you'll see the description of the shoe on the box. Yet again, another card from Stockx. Thank you for your purchase. Welcome to the future. All that good stuff. Shebang, shebang, blah, blah, blah. So if you got a problem, you hit up Josh and you let him know that you got a problem. But the real question is, will Josh respond to you? Ain't no telling. The Adidas Nite Joggers. These is fire. These is real fire. I like that orange on the shoe. That's the #1 thing that's speaking to me right now. It's kind of heavy. I didn't expect it to be this heavy. So as you can see, I have the Adidas Nite Joggers here. And my first impression of the shoe is it actually looks better than how it looked in the pictures. And I was a little bit skeptical about actually getting the shoe, because I know that the shoe was glowing in the dark. I knew it had the reflective gear on there. And I'm definitely a fan of anything that's reflective. If it reflects, it's for me. Like, hands down, I am down to get anything that's reflective because I love reflective gear. I love the way that the orange pops on this shoe. It's definitely one of a kind. The orange is a lot brighter than what I thought it was gonna look like. So taking a closer look at the shoe, if you look to the rear of it, you'll see the orange that has the reflective coming around it. And on the other side, it's gonna have the same exact thing. But where you see the 3 stripes on there, that's also going to be reflective. You bring it around to the front, you'll see that it has the cloth material on it. And then if you look to the side where that orange is right there, this orange basically is going to be reflective and glow in the dark. Then the shoelaces, of course, like, why would they make the shoe without the laces that reflect in the dark? Of course, the laces are going to be reflective also, so you cannot forget those bad boys. Then turning around to the other side, you'll still see the 3 stripes for the Adidas, which is also going to be the reflective stitching that is on the shoe. Turning around, you will see the back that has that orange little outline on it. And then inside the shoe, it has that bluish purple colorway. The bluish purple with the black in there, and it says Adidas on there. The tongue has like the pillowcase material, well, the foam material that's gonna be on the tongue of it. And then of course you will see, I hit the camera, on the front you will see the Adidas name on there. I don't know, I don't have any negative feedback about the shoe other than my left foot looks a little sketchy, like it's been worn or it's been stepped in something black. But Stockx, I don't know what y'all did before you guys sent me these, but gotta get it together. It's fire. Fuego. It's really fuego. The colorway is dope. Everything on this, it's magical. It's just like a fucking unicorn. If you were able to cop or you weren't able to cop, I definitely suggest picking up from Stockx if you really want these, because it's an easy cop and it's probably gonna be maybe $20 to $30 more of what you expected to get for it. And that's not bad. That's not bad at all. I know you guys want to see a close-up of this, so let's just do some B-roll on this. This shoe is fuego papito. Yeah, I like the colorway of it. Everything on there is it's just super dope. It's lit. It's literally a lit shoe. Where it's at night, it's going to shine, it's going to reflect, it's going to do everything and more that you don't expect it to do. With these being the Nite Joggers and all, I think for you to get the full experience, the on-foot review should be at night, right? Definitely a dope shoe, one that I appreciate. Thanks for watching, guys. Again, my name is Flacco. If you like what you see, like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget, hold on, hello? Yeah. Don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you can see what I'm dropping, when I'm dropping, how I'm dropping, whenever it drops, so you're aware. Let me know if you picked up the Nite Joggers and what are your thoughts on them. My first impression is these shits is fire. All right. Till next time, guys, Flacco out.